बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पैसेज नंबर 51। इस्लामाबाद कॉलन। दी शुगर इंडस्ट्री heaved a sigh of relief as Islamabad High Court on Thursday stopped a possible crackdown against it for misuse of public money and cartelization leading to massive price hike of the commodity. Full stop. IIC Chief Justice Atar Minalla granted a stay order against the recommendations of the Inquiry Commission on the sugar scam that has called for registration of criminal cases against sugar mill owners on the condition that they would supply the commodity to consumers at the rate of rupees 70 per kilogram till June 25, the next date of hearing. Full stop. The petitioners in this matter are the leading sugar mill owners and non-political figures. Full stop. New para. Besides the Pakistan Sugar Mills Association, sugar mills owned by Jahangir Tareen and his son Ali Tareen, Salman Shehbaz, the son of opposition leader Shehbaz Sharif, Makhdoom Umar Shahriyar, brother of Federal Minister for Economic Affairs, Makhdoom Khusro Bakhtiar, PTI leader Sardar Ali Raza Khan and others have challenged the inquiry report of the commission constituted to probe the sugar scam. Full stop. New para. According to the report, Pakistan exported more than 4 million tons of sugar and over rupees 29 billion was granted to sugar mills in terms of export subsidy over the past 5 years. Full stop. The counsel for the petitioners, Makhdoom Ali Khan, argued before the court that the commission was neither properly constituted nor it remained confined to its limits but went beyond its jurisdiction and exceeded its mandate. Full stop. New para. He said that crucial aspect of increase of sugar prices was ignored by the commission. Full stop. He argued that the proceedings and recommendations of the Inquiry Commission were not in consonance with the Act of 2017. Full stop. In response to a court query, the lawyer said that about 30% of the sugar produced in the country was consumed by people and the rest was sold to commercial consumers. Full stop. The price for these categories in the same. Full stop. New para. When the counsel was asked whether this crucial aspect was investigated by the Inquiry Commission and whether any relief had been recommended in the report for common man, the non-commercial consumer, his answer was in negative. Full stop. The court observed, it appears from the report that the Inquiry Commission was constituted to inquire into the increase in sugar prices to ensure relief to the common man. Full stop. It noted that alleged cartelization or monopolistic fixation of prices affected the common man, the non-commercial consumer, the most. Therefore, it appeared to be a case of exploitation of the 30% non-commercial consumers. Full stop. New para. Sugar is the basic need of the common man, particularly those belonging to the lowest income groups. Full stop. Neither the association nor the state can treat them at par with the commercial consumers. Full stop. For the non-commercial consumer, the price of sugar has a direct nexus with the right to life guaranteed under the Constitution, the court observed, full stop. New para, referring to the report of the Inquiry Commission, Justice Minalla observed that it did not explain the reasons for conducting a selected forensic audit, full stop. The status of the report of the Inquiry Commission vis-a-vis the other statutes, the National Accountability Ordinance, 1999, the State Bank of Pakistan Act, 1956, and the Income Tax Ordinance, 2001, needs consideration, full stop. New para. The question regarding the scope of the Act of 2017 that empowered the constitution of the Commission in relation to the authority of the provincial governments had been raised by the PSMA, the court order read, full stop. It is the case of the association that the proceedings were conducted in a non-transparent manner and target a few, full stop, till the next date fixed status quo shall be maintained and no further action or proceedings pursuant to the inquiry report shall be taken or conducted, full stop. New para, however, this order shall be subject to selling the sugar to the non-commercial consumer at the rate of rupees 70 per kilogram, the court order said, full stop. Additional Attorney General Tariq Mahmood Khokhar submitted that he had no cavil with the public purchasing at a lower price, but was against any restraining order, full stop. He would assist the court after getting a notice, he said, and added that the case could be fixed as early as Monday or even on Friday, full stop. He reiterated again and again that no restraining order should be passed with hearing the Federation, full stop. However, the counsels for the petitioners agreed that sugar would be sold at the rate of 70 rupees 70 per kg till June 25 in return for a restraining order, full stop.